How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply fix warping or bed adhesion issues in Elegoo Slicer. So first, let's talk about the slicer setting. The first thing that I suggest is to add a brim. It's going to be inside others, scroll down, and you have the brim option. Now with this one, you could go ahead and increase the surface area of the print contacting the bed. So you could set it at least 5 to 10 millimeters. So it's going to be this one. Now for the next thing, I suggest to reduce the initial layer speed. So set the initial layer speed to 15 to 25 millimeters per second. So it's going to be this one. And from there, printing slowly at the start allows the plastic to bond firmly to the plate before the next layer pulls on it. Now we can also tweak the first layer temperature, so we can slightly increase the bed temperature for PLA, increase it from 60 to 65 or 70. Of course, it's going to be inside the actual filament setting. Scroll down and you have the temperatures right here. Now we could also reduce or disable the cooling fans. So it's going to be inside the same setting. And from here, you want to set the initial fan speed to 0% for the first 3 to 4 layers, because rapid cooling right out of the nozzle forces the plastic to shrink, which causes corner lifting. And then from there, let's talk about the physical bed preparation. You want to wash the build plate. Oils from your hand will prevent filament from sticking. So remove the PEI sheath and wash it with warm water and liquid dish soap. And you want to dry it thoroughly with a clean paper towel. Now you also want to go ahead and dial in the Z offset. So run the manual Z offset calibration on your Elegoo printer. You want enough space for the filament to be slightly squished onto the bed, but not so close that the nozzle scrapes the surface or block extrusions. From there, you want to level the bed. Ensure that your x-axis gantry is parallel to the build plate and run the printer's auto leveling procedure before starting. So those are the ways in order to fix this problem: some physical bed preparation and some actual slicer setting. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.